we have 3 color eyeshadow palettes for you that you're going to love for makeup month, brand new products. We wanted to create something for you that makes it a little bit easier for you to get up and do your makeup. We've got our green palette. Now I'm going to be doing this one and you're going to be a little shocked because there's some pink in there. Pink and green. Oh yeah, baby. It's going to look so beautiful. Okay, I've got my big blender brush. I'm going to clean it off. Look at all that. You know, just wearing lots of makeup. Okay, now it's all clean and ready to be put on. I'm going to start with my lightest first this time. And it's Zest. And it's that one right in the middle. So beautiful. I'm going to put this one all over because I really love the way that it is just bright, has no apologies for being so, just like us. Kind of living in 2000s, early 2000s, so let's get us back to 2025. Got my darker green here. I'm going to be putting this baby in the corner of my eye and creeping it into my crease. Okay, corner of my eye, creeping it into my crease. Now, if you're not making sounds while you're putting on your eyeshadow, are you even type 1? Okay. All right. So you see that's a little subtle, but also a little pop of bold. When I close my eyes, you can really see it. When I open it, just kind of mixes in really nicely. Now I'm going to use my beautiful pink, this nice matte pink. And that is going to go right here on my eyeliner line. And a little higher. Eyeliner line, a little higher. Now you want to look for balance. Maybe need to add a little bit more pink. I'm going to go a little bit heavier on it because I think that's really nice balance with that emerald green there. Okay, now I've got the pink in. I'm going to use my bigger brush again, and I'm just going to softly blend. Don't go crazy here. I still want to see that color. Still want to see that nice dark green. Okay, that's a fun way to use this palette. Now I'm going to be putting on a purple eyeliner. Really love playing with colors because we have these insane, amazing palettes with you. Why not play with even more colors? So it's Aurora, and it's such an awesome purple. No, you don't always need to use normal colors for your eyeliner. Yes, it is extreme and delightful and beautiful and fun. And I think purple and green are complementary colors. So they are so beautiful together. You can see that like that. Isn't that fun? I've got my black brown mascara on and my look is complete. I use Sunkissed, which is a little bit more of a red toned blush for my cheeks. And I have on Cotton Candy lip liner with our brand new beautiful luscious tinted lip balm in the pink. This color is so beautiful. I'm loving this look. Now, obviously I paired it with the perfect sweater because it has every color I'm wearing in it. But wear this palette with purples. I think purple complements green so well. Pink is so beautiful with it. Blues, obviously. As type 1s, we can mix and match so many different colors. Play with this green palette. You're going to love it. With our pinks and purples, I'm going to start with our beautiful darkest color, which is Pink Opulence. Now, this one is just this nice, really beautiful, kind of like a grapey color. A little bit to add to that purple. I'm going to put these right in my crease. I like to have the darker color kind of be in the crease because it's going to shadow anyway, so might as well put the darker color in that space. And then I'm going to use Lilac Matte, which is a beautiful matte purple. And that one's going to go right on my lids. Now I'm going to be quite light with this because I want it to just add a little bit of an iridescent look. So it kind of goes from matte to sparkle, dark light purple to dark purple right up there through the crease. And the Sugar Rush is my lightest color. I'm going to put that right in the corners of my eyes. I love having that little pop, especially for us type 1s. Now I'm using our bigger brush for the eyeshadow. And now I'm going to use our small angled one, and I'm going to take a little bit of that light, and I'm actually going to put a little bit here, right underneath those bottom lashes, the 3/4 edge of it. I think that adds just a really nice brightness to it. That's the 3 palette, these beautiful 3 colors all together. Now I'm going to put a little surprise eyeliner in, which is our sea green. Did you ever think you could wear pinks and purples and greens together? If you didn't, now you do. Not fun. It just kind of brings that little bit of pop. I think it makes the purples even purplier, which is so beautiful. And if you're getting sick of wearing browns and blues, this is a really fun combination. Now I'm also going to put it on my bottom liner, right in that waterline, right above where I just put the Sugar Rush on the bottom there. Okay, now I'm going to put my mascara on and I'll show you the full look. Ta-da! I used our navy mascara. I put some on the top and on my bottom lashes because I'm really playing with those the bottom liner, bottom lashes with this look. I think it's very fun, very bright, opens my eyes a lot. I'm wearing our #1 seller cocktail blush, a favorite of mine, and we have these amazing new lip balms. It's this beautiful brown. It's called Sweet Spice. It's so beautiful with the tropical pink lip liner. With the pinks and purple palette, I would definitely wear purples, pinks, but you know how I brought on the sea green eyeliner? Wear greens with it, wear blues. All of those colors really complement each other. Have so much fun playing with this palette. To finish off the 3 palette set, we have our browns. A beautiful neutral brown color that you will be able to wear with so many beautiful items. So let's show you how I like to do this one. Moonbeam, the lightest, is my most favorite color we've ever had, will ever have. It speaks to my soul. I love it so much. I love that it's sparkly. It's neutral beige, whatever you want to call it, but I think it's so beautiful. Okay, putting it everywhere because I love it so much. Now I'm going to take my little angled brush with my brown, and this one is Nutmeg, and this one I'm going to do across the liner line and a little on top. And same on the other side. I'm going to kind of have it be like a smoky eye, a little sultry-ish. So when you do smoky eyes, you want to put the dark colors next to your eye because that's where the smokiness comes from. Okay. Pull off a little bit. I'm going to do a little bit on the bottom corner and a little on the bottom corner. Okay. Awesome. All right, so now that's on. And then we have our third color, Delight. It is delightful. It's kind of a goldy light. And I'm going to put this one right in the middle, right on top. A little dab will do ya. Tap, 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 tap. It just adds a little bit of brightness right in the center, which is such a beautiful look for type 1, is to have a little bit of bright right in the middle of your eye. Okay, so I've got those colors on now. You can see it's a little bit smoky, a little bit bright. I'm going to add an eyeliner now, which is our Sienna. It's a brown. And I'm going to have this one be a little bit winged because I want the smokiness to kind of pull out my eyes, pull them out and up. So right next to my eyelashes. Now I'm going to actually pull this eyeliner into the middle and a thicker line as it gets closer to the end. And a little wing. Just a little extra bit on the outside of the lash line will give you such a lift. It's a little weird to take the eyeliner all the way into the middle because we don't normally. But for the smoky eye, I think it's really fun. Then we're gonna blend it a little bit. I use my fingers, but you could use a brush too. I don't want it to be so stark right in the middle because that also, it takes away a little bit of the lightness. And let's go ahead and pull that out. Give it a fun little wing. Now, I like to take my fingers and go like this, and it just kind of creates a little sharper of an edge and cleans it up just a little bit. Okay. I'm going to go back to my little angled brush. I'm going to blend right in the middle there. Blend, 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 blend. I keep saying middle because it's like the middle of my face. You know what I'm talking about? Not the middle of my eye, but the middle of my face. Right there. Okay, I'm going to put on my mascara and I'll show you the finished look. I put the mascara on my top lashes and the bottom lashes. I think that really helps to set that smoky eye look into effect. This is a beautiful palette. You're going to love it. I use peach lines on my cheeks. I love that it's a little bit more of a brown neutrally look. And raspberry lipstick. Browns can go with pinks, reds, neutrals, browns, oranges. I never put it with blue. I think blue stays with blue, brown stays with brown. But I love being able to have a type 1 look with a beautiful sultry brown look. Now these 3 palettes are in the store. You're going to love it. They're going to make your life so much easier. Get them and have so much fun doing your makeup.